everybody, it's Jean here from Truelove Quilts for You. I was just, no tutorial today, I was just about to embark on something, and my one son has come in to say hello. You haven't met Jordan. You've met, this is Jordan. This is my son Jordan.
Sorry,
Truelove.
I come over here and I steal her food.
Yeah, he comes here. And I was just, this is only going to take me a couple minutes, and I just ran it past Jordan, who's the consummate businessman, and I asked him his opinion. What I have here is a bunch of old quilting magazines and new quilting magazines from about 2003 up to about 2017. And what I want to do is I want to get rid of them. I don't want to throw them out. And I thought, I'm not, if you're interested, comment below, and then we'll take it from there. What I've done is I've gone to the post office and I've gotten a padded priority mail envelope, which filled with anything cost $8 flat to ship, to mail, okay? So what I think I'm doing is I'm putting in a variety, older and new magazines, 6 or 7 of them in each, because some are thicker, some are like yearbook things, so I'll just sort of go through it. 6 or 7 of them in an envelope, with including the postage. I would charge $20. You think that's good?
They're like they're $8 to $8 a piece. So that's what, $2 a piece. That's
about $2 a piece for newer and older ones. They're all intact. Jordan thinks it's a good idea.
Why not?
To get rid of them.
I think it's a good idea.
I'm getting rid of stuff.
Good. Buy them. Lots of stuff. I come over, eat my mama's food, and say, "Oh, Mom, you get rid of stuff." Good magazines.
Yeah, they are nice magazines. They're all intact. They all have their patterns. So if you would be interested, yeah, that's the patterns to the magazines. All of the there's a quilting magazine. Oh, here's some from Australia, the patchwork and quilting, which are a little bit difficult to get now. And I have ones that like Quilty magazine, which is fairly new. I have the older ones, the Quilter magazine. So a variety of, you would be getting a variety of 6 or 7 magazines for $20, including the shipping. So if you're interested, comment below. Okay, folks? Thank you, my Jordan. All right, see ya. Bye.
Love it.
That's good. Thank you.
Alrighty, I gotta run anyway.
Okay, bye.
That's pretty cool.
That's cool, yeah.
Love you.
Bye. See you later.
See ya.